What if your car got recalled, fixed, and then recalled again for the exact same problem? It sounds unbelievable, but that's exactly what's happening right now with the Ford Mustang. According to recent reports, Ford Motor Company has issued a second recall affecting certain 2022-2023 Mustang models. But this isn't a new defect. Instead, it's because the original repair wasn't done correctly. From the perspective of Phi Hoang Channel, this is one of the most unusual and eye-opening recall stories in recent automotive news, not because of the size, but because of what it reveals about how recalls are actually handled behind the scenes. So here's what happened. Earlier, Ford had recalled over 30,000 Mustangs due to a problem in the electric power steering system. Specifically, a faulty torque sensor could cause the steering wheel to behave unpredictably, leading to unexpected oscillations or vibrations while turning. That alone is a serious issue. Steering is one of the most critical safety systems in any vehicle. But here's where things take a turn. After the recall repair was performed, Ford discovered that some vehicles were not properly updated with the correct software. In other words, the cars were marked as fixed, but the underlying issue may still exist. Because of that, Ford is now recalling approximately 332 vehicles again to redo the repair the right way. From Phi Hoang Channel's point of view, this situation highlights a crucial but often overlooked reality. Fixing a car isn't just about identifying the problem, it's also about executing the solution correctly at the dealership level. And sometimes that's where things can go wrong. Now, the good news is that this isn't considered a stop-driving situation. There have been no reported crashes or injuries related to this issue so far. However, the risk is still real. If the steering system doesn't behave as expected, especially at higher speeds or during tight maneuvers, it could increase the likelihood of losing control. So how is Ford handling it? The solution is straightforward. Affected vehicles will need to return to the dealership, where technicians will reinstall the correct software update for the steering system, completely free of charge. Ford is also offering additional convenience in some cases, including mobile service options or vehicle pickup and delivery, making it easier for owners to get the issue resolved. Owner notifications are expected to begin around late March. Now, here's the bigger picture. From the perspective of Phi Hoang Channel, this recall isn't just about the Mustang, it's about how modern vehicles and modern recalls have evolved. Today's cars rely heavily on software. That means fixing a problem isn't always as simple as replacing a part. It often involves precise digital updates, and even a small mistake in that process can leave the issue unresolved. In a way, this is a recall of a recall, and it raises an important question for car owners everywhere. When your car gets fixed, how sure are you that it's actually fixed? In the end, this story is a reminder that even iconic cars like the Ford Mustang aren't immune to real-world challenges. Because in today's automotive world, it's not just about building great cars, it's about fixing them right the first time.